Hi, it's Anete Martinsone here, originally from Latvia, but I live in the UK for the last 10 years. Today I wanted to share with you the following. I have finished two types of education, traditional and non-traditional. Traditional education I received here in Latvia when I finished the high school with a profession in hospitality, and I also have unfinished university degree in PR and advertisement. Non-traditional education I received in London via the Academy Private Investor School. In this school I learned about the finances, I learned about the money game, I learned how to control my money so the money doesn't control me. This particular education helped me to transform myself from inside out. This education helped me to get out of my financial difficulties when I lost my job back in 2016. In this Academy Private Investor, you are not just receiving the theory, just a plain theory. You're receiving the actual people success. You're receiving their knowledge, how they got out from the bottom to the top, how they received and earned their first million. So if you also want to learn about the financial world and financial literacy, then join Academy Private Investor and you won't regret.